Welcome once more to this channel. This is 𝐒𝐮𝐩𝐩𝐸 from Revolution Company. But today I'm going to be showing you how to write a C program to find the highest common factor, HCF, of two numbers. Before we get started, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. So to look for the HCF of two numbers, we make use of the Euclidean algorithm. So the Euclidean algorithm is one of the way that we can use in order to find the HCF of two positive integers. Assuming that we have two positive integers a and b, or the algorithm for this program would be, if b is assigned the value 0, the HCF is a, and we stop. Otherwise, we set R to be the remainder when a is divided by b. We set a to b, we set b to R, and we go to step 1. For a computational example, we have, assuming a is 42 and b is 24, we start by dividing 42 by 24. We get the result and the remainder. So you can see that 42 will be equal to the result we got times b plus the remainder. And we are going to do that to the point where our remainder is 0. So at the point where the remainder is 0, the HCF or GCD is 6 for the case of 42 and 24. For the pseudocode of this problem, we can use a while loop. So while n is not 0, do set R, that is the remainder, to a modulus b, set a to b, set b to R, and y. So this is the pseudocode of this problem. So we are going to program this together. Let's launch Visual Studio. So I have launched Visual Studio. We are going to start by opening the terminal. So I'm going to make sure that I'm using the command prompt. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to change directory to desktop. And I'm going to make a new directory in which I'm going to save my file. And I'm going to change directory to the just create a directory. Okay. Now that I have created my directory, let us go back to file, open folder, desktop. Use the directory I created, select. So we are going to start by creating a file which I will call HCF.c. Now that we have created our file, we can start programming. So we are going to start with the basic structure of a C program, which is now we have written the basic structure of a C program. So we have written the basic structure of a C program. The next thing we need to think about the different variables that I will need in order to write this program, as well as the type of the variable. Remember that we said that for the HCF, we will be dealing with positive integers. So probably I will need a variable will be of type int. I will have a positive integer, b a positive integer, and r a remainder. The next thing I will prompt the user to printf. Okay. I will then use a scanf to accept the user input. Okay. I'm going to use another printf. Okay. Now I'm going to use a while condition. Remember that in the algorithm, the condition is b not equal. Then we'll assign the value of a modulus b. Remember that the percentage is the modulus operator, and then we assign the value of b to a, and we'll assign the value of r to b. And then we have the last printf. Okay. So this is the program to look for of the HCF, that is the highest common factor or the greatest common divisor of two numbers. So we are going to compile this program and run it. So let me save it. Let's get back to the command line. So you can see that our file is in the HCF program folder. So we can compile and run our file. So we are going to start by gcc hcf.c hcf. So you can see the executable file has been created here. We can run the program now. HCF of 210 and 45. The HCF of 210 and 45 is, okay, let's get back here. Correct. me save it again. I'm going to compile it back. Okay, so you can see that our program is working well. Let's test it again. HCF of 210 and 40 and 45. So thank you once more for watching this video, and if you have yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. Thanks.